Question 1. What is your nutrient? Our micronutrient that we will be talking about is vitamin B6. The vitamin B complex refers to all of the known essential water-soluble vitamins. There are a total of 8 different types of vitamin Bs. Vitamin B6 is also known as pyridoxine. Also, vitamin B6 is the generic name for the 6 compounds that it contains. Question 2. Are there agents that can destroy your micronutrient? Yes, there is. Some agents that can destroy vitamin B6 are exposure to light and heat. This was proven when infants experience abdominal stress and other physical symptoms. The reason why infants experience these symptoms were due to the fact that they only drank formula, which was overheated in the manufacturing process. Other agents that may destroy vitamin B6 are a number of drugs, including alcohol and oral contraceptives. In alcohol, it decreases the formation of the active coenzyme pyridoxal phosphate, and it makes it more susceptible to breakdown. Oral contraceptives have been associated with low blood levels of pyridoxal phosphate. Question 3. What is the chemical form of the nutrient? Vitamin B6 is also known as pyridoxine. It comprises a group of compounds including pyridoxal, pyridoxine, and pyridoxamine. All 3 of these forms can be converted into the active coenzyme form called pyridoxal phosphate. This is needed for a number of reactions that are essential to amino acid synthesis and breakdown. The chemical form of pyridoxal phosphate is C8H11NO3. This is the 4-methanol form of the vitamin B6, which is naturally present in many foods. Question number 4. How does the nutrient get from food into our bodies and then to each cell? The human body cannot produce vitamin B6, so we must obtain it from food sources or supplements. For the most part, our regular diet meets our recommended daily intake, but there are a population of people that may be at risk for deficiency. After you have consumed the micronutrient, it undergoes a reaction called transamination reaction. This synthesizes non-essential amino acids by transferring an amino acid to a carbon compound. Once this takes place, 2 things can happen. The first thing is that a deamination reaction can take place, which is when an amino group is removed from amino acid so that they can be used to produce ATP or to synthesize glucose. The second thing that can happen is that after the transamination reaction takes place, a decarboxylation reaction can happen. This is when the acid group is removed from amino acids so that they can be used to synthesize neurotransmitters and myelin formation.
Along with the other vitamin Bs, vitamin B6 helps to convert food into energy within the body, and it plays a key role in keeping the central nervous system functioning. Vitamin B6 is an essential nutrient in the body because it's used in more than 100 enzyme reactions involved in protein, fat, and carbohydrate metabolism. It is involved in the production of hemoglobin, which is the protein in blood that carries oxygen through the body. Vitamin B6 helps create neurotransmitters, which are important chemical messengers in the brain. It also helps regulate energy use in the brain. In brain development, vitamin B6 helps make serotonin, norepinephrine, and melatonin. Vitamin B6 may also play a role in the slowing of cognitive decline and age-related memory loss, according to Everyday Health. This nutrient is also important in brain development during pregnancy and infancy, as well as immune function. The body needs vitamin B6 because it cannot produce this nutrient on its own. We are able to obtain it from foods such as chickpeas, banana, tofu, nuts, and roasted chicken breast, or vitamin supplements available in capsule or tablet form. A review study from 2016 reports that taking this vitamin may help with mild symptoms of nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. They have also been proven as safe over-the-counter treatment during pregnancy. The body can use vitamin B6 to help with eye disease that can lead to vision loss, hardening of the arteries, kidney stones, symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, and for treating a movement disorder often caused by antipsychotic drugs. Vitamin B6 can also help seizures in newborns who are dependent on vitamin B6. Daily needs. How much vitamin B6 are we supposed to consume each day? The table on this slide was taken from the National Institutes of Health, Office of Dietary Supplements. It is the recommended dietary allowances for vitamin B6, starting from birth and going to age 51 and older. The recommended dietary allowance is the average daily level of intake sufficient to meet the nutrient requirements of nearly all healthy individuals, often used to plan nutritionally adequate diets for people. And as you can see, during pregnancy and lactation, the mother needs a higher intake of vitamin B6 because of all the benefits it has to the child.
A variety of foods found all over the world provide ample amounts of the nutrient vitamin B6. Foods such as pork, poultry, such as chicken or turkey, some fish such as tuna and salmon, beef liver, peanuts, chickpeas, soybeans, wheat germ, oats, some veggies and fruit, in particular dark leafy greens, papayas, bananas, oranges, and cantaloupe. Other things such as milk, and even some fortified breakfast cereals. When it comes to the processing of these foods, the amount of vitamin B6 lost is negligible. In contrast, food fortification is the addition or enrichment of food through the addition of added micronutrients, such as vitamin B6. As mentioned previously, children in particular tend to have diets that are guided by passion alone. Addition of these essential micronutrients to foods that they love help in preventing vitamin deficiency and helps to make an overall healthy population. It is very unlikely that a person could ever reach toxic levels of vitamin B6 due to its nature of being water soluble. The benefit of water-soluble vitamins is that they can be readily absorbed and excreted through urine, preventing abnormally high toxic levels of this vitamin. However, if one were to take over 1,000 milligrams daily, toxic levels could arise, producing symptoms such as neuropathy in the feet and hands, ataxia, which is loss of control of body movements, and nausea. For those deficient on B6, symptoms such as microcystic anemia, skin conditions, depression, confusion, and lowered immunity may arise. Other conditions have been known to interfere with the absorption of B6, leading to a deficiency, such as kidney disease, autoimmune intestinal disorders, autoimmune inflammatory disorders, and alcoholism. ULs, or tolerable upper intake levels, is the maximum daily dose unlikely to cause adverse effects in the general population. The UL for adults of vitamin B6 for adults 19 and over is 100 milligrams daily, and for children and teenagers, this amount is slightly lower. Unfortunately, this amount can only be achieved through supplements. In terms of vitamin B6 deficiency, those at risk for this usually have other low B vitamins as well. Thanks for listening.